Hello, my name is Carlos Andres Correa. This is my presentation about activity What Will the Future for Us? I live in Ginebra, Valle del Cauca. Current approximate populations. The population of Ginebra is 22,000 people. Urban area, Ginebra has an extension of 330 square kilometers. Average climate, it oscillates between 19 and 13 degrees centigrade. Educations, current situation of educations. This town has 4 official colleges: La Salle, Inmaculada Concepción, La Selva, and Manuela Beltrán. In Ginebra, there's is not university or technical college. Natural resource, current situation on natural resource. We have 3 rivers in Ginebra: Guavas, Zabaleta, and Popurinas. We also have 2 biohealthy parks and beautiful landscapes. On the other hand, pollution levels are very low due to the lack of industry in the region and the low mobility of vehicles. Current urbanization and commerce situations. In terms of urbanizations, the town grows very slowly, but the commercial activity has grown in the last year. New supermarkets opened, Ara and De Uno. Current cultural and entertainment. Ginebra culture revolves around the Andean and Colombian music. Dance to the music school Canto por la Vida and the Festival of Mono Núñez. Ginebra has several recreational parks, almost all aquatics. In terms of security, crime has increased due to the lack of employment opportunities and the increase in the use of narcotics. In terms of migration, in the last year, the massive arrival of Venezuelans in search of a better life has been noted. Thank you.